Good afternoon, everybody. Coming to you today back on the 99 Ford F350 two-wheel drive 7.3 truck. Be slipping her all back together, getting her ready to go back home. Well, we done a few extra things to her while I was in here changing out the undercover harnesses and injectors. We're going to replace these glow plugs. These are the glow plugs that was in it. We cleaned them up, but done an ohms test on them, had a couple of weak ones. And you guys know that if you've got a weak glow plug in one of these 7.3s or a 6.0, man, they can be a hard starter. So they're all going to get replaced. Found these devils right here. A couple of them were finger tight. These are the new ones we're putting in, and they're Motorcrafts. That's the brand that I like to put back in it. But we done an ohms test on them. I do an ohms test on them right out of the box. That way I know they're good before we put them in. So we'll be getting them in. This here, when the truck come to us, had this specialized air filter system on here. We thought we'd make it just a little more user friendly for the customer since he runs a business with it. I don't know what cold air intake system that is, but I don't know. So we went to Decatur, Indiana, and we found an original air box for it. These boogers are starting to get pretty hard to find. We're going to put the stock system all back in it. That way it makes it easier for him to maintain his truck. If he needs a filter, he can go to pretty much any parts store and get one. You don't have to special order a filter or wash it out and wait for it to dry. That'll take and help him out a lot. One thing I wanted to take and let you guys also know, when you guys are changing out injectors on these trucks, I showed you the cups yesterday, but when you're installing your injectors and glow plugs and stuff, you're going to get oil that goes down on top of the cylinders. Oils and some diesel fuel and stuff. Before you install everything, you're going to have to get down there and crank this engine over and get the oil off the top of the cylinders. It'll make a mess. Usually what I do is I put a rag over it and then get the shop vac out and soak up the rest of it. But if you take and put your injectors in here and your glow plugs in here before you clean the tops of them cylinders off, you're taking a pretty good chance of hydrolocking your engine, because that oil and stuff, it'll take and set the engine right up. It'll hydrolock it. So that's one thing that you want to make sure to do. But we'll get her all done for him, get her back on the road, make it easier for him to buy parts for it. That way he can go ahead and stop at any part store that he needs if he needs an air filter. So y'all have a great day out there. Be safe. This is for a lot of you guys out there that don't know. Thank you very much. We'll see you around. Bye.